was crammed in that drawer. I found a couple of face masks for Face Mask Monday. I have all this stuff I didn't know I had. So I bought these two pieces I got at Dollar Tree. And then this 6-drawer one I got, it was expensive, it was like $17. I got it, oh, my battery's running out. I got that at Home Goods. Then I got a couple more of these little smaller ones at Dollar Tree. So we're gonna see how this all goes. I thought I'd put my lipsticks in one of these. If there were maybe two of them. Got a lot more lipstick than I thought I did. Got a lot of, I don't really like, that's a lip tattoo. That's interesting. It kind of, you put it on and peel it back off. I don't really like glosses very well, but I have a bunch of them. Let's see what else I have. There's another one. Alrighty, now let's take some of these pencils. I don't know if they'll stand up or not. I don't know why I have so many. These are lip. Let's see if I can squeeze these in with something else. These are lip liners. I don't use lip liners much. These are all eyeliners. Oops. Oops. Just dropped something down into the metal trash cans. What that big kabang was. I don't know if these are going to stay up very well, but we'll give it a try. What is this? It's Hank and Henry. I don't know what it is. Oh. Then I have a bunch of concealers. That one's too big. That one's too big. I'll have to have a room for those. Some more lip stuff. More concealer. More lip stuff. Now I have a bunch of other miscellaneous little things. I guess I can put them down in the drawer. They're like concealers, or let's take this one out and put this one in. It's an actual lipstick. Gotta get rid of some of these that I don't ever wear and put the actual lipsticks in. And some of these will just shove in the drawer down here and fit. These are concealers. And you don't realize how much junk you have. That's a face primer. Until you start cleaning and then realize, boy, I have a lot of stuff. I'm not sure that door is going to shut if I put that one in there. Yes, it does. Alrighty then. Don't have a lot of nail polish. These, that's a mask. Put that over there with those other masks. These are what I got this one in particular for, is to put all the million. That's not gonna fit very many in there. I was hoping I'd fit a bunch of my eye palettes, but I don't think they're gonna fit very many. I'm gonna have to find another have something to do with those. Might have to put them back in the drawer I just took everything out of. Put all these little ones in there and put the big ones in a drawer, I think. So I don't use these little ones too often because I have so many big ones. Oops, got that up where you can't see what I'm doing. Alrighty. Powder stuff on there. Blush. See how much of this miscellaneous stuff I can fit in here. It's my foundation. I use this all the time. It's a it's got blush and highlighter and everything in it, and I use it all the time. Haven't tried these yet. I forgot I had them. They were like blush pearls. They sounded interesting to me. That kind of fit, maybe. There, got a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. So that looks much better. I think I'm gonna have to, a lot of this stuff's gonna have to go back in the drawer. Got these two, but I'm not sure. Guess I could use them for various things. There's that one. I guess all these are going to have to go back in the drawer. At least I'll be able to put them in there. So many palettes. How many palettes do y'all have, and do you use them all? That's all my palettes, not counting the little ones I put up there. Well, I guess those don't count as palettes. Got some eyelashes that I'll probably never use. Some wipes. Some more white things. A couple of face creams. These all go in my second drawer here. All my medicines and things in it. And I'll just put all those in there. Obviously I need to clean that out too, but that's for another day. Oops, I keep. Alright, here's another. There we go. Much better. This is what I keep my brushes in. I got this from Globian once. And I think that's much better. That doesn't count. It doesn't count all the stuff I have in here, which is more palettes, a couple brushes, a bunch of lipsticks that I never use, so they're just packed away in this thing I got for free from Ulta one time. When I bought a certain amount of stuff, I got that free, but I don't ever use it. It's too hard to use. Isn't that pretty? Goes with my wall. So anyway, there's my organizing. What do you think? It's me again. I watched that video and it's terrible. I don't blame you if you just quit watching it, because half the time I got you watching the wall. I wanted you to see me. I should have put it in some kind of holder, but I was trying to hold my phone and put stuff away, and I kept shifting you off where you were like looking at the wall and making you dizzy, going ooh, back and forth. So I apologize. You can just not watch it. I don't blame you if you don't. It's a terrible video, but I want to just at least see the end result of me cleaning my makeup up and my organization I ended up with. If you enjoy videos other than this one, I do unboxings and all kinds of goodies, cooking and crafting and taking walks and playing with animals and unboxing clothes and makeup and miscellaneous stuff, lifestyle, all that kind of stuff. Just give me a hit the subscribe bell and hit the button and hit the bell. I can't talk today. Anyway, so I'm in the sunlight so you can see my gray hair. When I sit over on the other chair, you don't notice the gray so much because it's more in the shadow, but in the sunlight you can see all my lovely gray highlights. So anyway, if you enjoy, go back and watch some of my better videos. This was not my best, but please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, or on this one I'd give me a thumbs down. It was terrible. Talk to you soon.